Okay, so I'll give you introduction today, just simple introduction. Tomorrow onwards, we'll go for remaining things.
Sure.
So database administration, we have two different activities basically. Like, number one, configuration related. Number two, ticket based work. These two activities we perform. So coming to next step now. Configuration part means what? What are the things we have there? So for example, I mean, right from the beginning of installation, everything comes under configuration part only, because we have to configure different scenarios like installations, configurations, database creation, users creation, providing permissions, cancelling permissions. These are all comes under configuration part. Simple example I will give you what the configuration means. For example, you have some SQL server. In this server, you have a database like this. Suppose this is my database. So now the thing is, so you're maintaining database means some data will be there. Customers' data and most important data is part of this database, no doubt, right? So just assume that now something happened and your database is corrupted. Then what to do? So in this case, we need some support for this, right? But that what we are doing, we are going to work with configure backup for this database. I'm giving example for configuration part. Ticket also I'll give you example. These two are the major activities of the DBA team. Okay. Suppose you are taking backup, means it is copy of the database. You're taking backup of the database and you're going to save it somewhere. If you lost your database, then you can recover your database from the backup. That's why you're taking copy of the backup, right? So coming to next scenario. Now, what happened, in this case, now you want to execute this backup regularly, regular intervals. So now you're scheduling this task as per the requirement. So now the thing is, after scheduling this call, this meeting, this backup. Sometimes it works, sometimes it will fail. There are reasons for failures. So now if it is succeeded, then no problem. If backup fails, then you have to rectify this. You have to recover it, right? This is what the scenario now. So you have to monitor this. That means you are configuring backup schedule. Then what to do? You have to monitor it, whether it is working fine or not. Now, if backup fails, then how to resolve the issue? This is monitoring and troubleshooting. That means you're going to configure different scenarios, and every configuration you need to monitor it. And if any issue is there in that, then you have to resolve it. So this is the scenario we are going to perform here. Coming to configuration part, configuring, monitoring, troubleshooting. These are the three different things we are doing. Got it? So now coming to next scenario. Ticket. So ticket means what? For example, you are maintaining some database. So database means some users will be there, right? For example, you take banking sector. Just assume that you opened a bank account in some bank. At the time of account opening, you are providing your information. Am I right or not? Your data. Where that data is going to store in a bank database only, right? Later, after opening bank account, you are going to perform different types of transactions like deposits, withdrawals, online transfers. Different scenarios you are going to perform. That means initially you provided your information to the bank. Later you are making some changes to your data which is existing in the database. That means you are customer of the bank, you are user of the bank, right? Simple example. So in this case, for example, you are DBA, you are maintaining some database. Some users will be there for that database, right? They are going to access your database and they're going to perform different types of operations in our database. Okay, now? So now, while they are working with your database, they are accessing your database, while they face some issues. They face some errors and issues. That is ticket. Okay, now? Now, you will receive the ticket, DBA. So now you have to identify the issue, then resolve the issue, close the ticket. So this is also kind of monitoring only, right? So overall scenario, DBA is like, taking care of entire databases and database servers. if any issue is there, I mean, you have to configure scenarios, no doubt. In same way, if any issue is there internally or from user side, you have to support them and resolve them. This is what the role of DBA. Ticket means what? The error message you are receiving from the client. That is called as ticket. Got it, Anil? So here also what happens, we have some concept called as SLA, service level agreement. Based on SLA, different tickets and ticket priorities will be defined. Of course, that depends on your organization and client. And I'll give you a simple example. Suppose you received a P1 ticket. Immediate resolution is required. Suppose you received P2 ticket. You can take 48 hours time for the resolution. P3 ticket, you can take 4 days time for the resolution. Suppose P4, you can take 1 week time for the resolution. Like this, what happened, we have different priorities, resolution timings. Based on priority, based on resolution time, you have to resolve the issues. So that means practical knowledge is required here. With theory, you cannot resolve the issues. Am I right or not? Okay. You have to go for practical scenarios. Everything is practical oriented on. That's why when Uday asked about the practical part, I answered. You have to do some hard work, practice. Because in the class also, I'm going to show you all the configurations practically and the monitoring, issues resolution also I'm going to show you in the training part practically. So you have to practice it. And coming to next scenario, practice purpose, we will install SQL Server in our laptop. If you have Windows 10 or 11 operating system laptop, we will install SQL Server in our laptop. So no problem at all. Okay.
Do we get documents for all these?
Yeah, I will give you materials. Yeah.
Okay.
Software materials I will provide and interview questions I will provide. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
So these are the things. And coming to next scenario, simple. See, generally I do introduction around 30 minutes only because whatever the thing is there, I want to share it clearly. I don't want to go for more and more content and creating confusion. I don't like that. 2 points you need to remember. Two points. You are going to work as DBA means you are going to work with configuration part and the ticket part. So in this entire scenario, maximum time you are going to support the user side. For example, you want to create backup job. Today you are creating it. Tomorrow onwards, what we do? Just monitor it. Tomorrow again, you are not going to create same job. Even no need, right? That's my point, right? So like that, you have some configurations. You will configure all of them in the beginning. So no need to configure them every day. So every day, what to do? You have to monitor. This point is important for us. We are monitoring different scenarios, different things. That way, we are going to work with database administration. And some people ask me in the demos, like, do I need any knowledge from SQL developer? Yes, for some tickets resolution purpose, yes, we need some SQL queries knowledge, but you no need to attend other trainings for that. Because in this training only, I'm going to give you some scenarios. I'm going to explain some queries part from SQL developer, which is required for DBA to resolve some performance issues. Okay, that part I'm going to cover in this only. So you no need to go for separate training for that, and no need to worry about that. because that is the only prerequisite. Even that prerequisite also we are discussing in this training only. Okay, no? So these are the things, and about the, I mean, this is what we are doing in this training and Java as well. And more details I will provide in the tomorrow's class. Okay, just introduction, just overview only I provided today. What is DBA? What type of tasks we are going to perform, and what is our role, where we are working. So these are all, I think, I have given clarity now. So now please go ahead with your questions. Any questions, please?
Sir, are we going to learn the SSL configuration part in this session?
What is that? Can you please repeat?
SSL configuration, secure socket pair configuration in database.
SSL, why we do DBA will not do SSL, right?
Because sir, in our company with DBA are doing the SSL configuration.
Most probably that is extra activity for your DBA.
SSL configuration along with the server rehydration part is also
previously we used to configure IIS, Internet, information services, kind of thing we used to DBA, but still we did something related to, Windows operating system. Like mostly that will be, additional activity, but let us see that, don't worry, okay?
And patching part are you also going to cover?
Yeah, patching is part of DBA activity, right?
Yeah. Oh.
Patching, hotfixes, service packs, these are all common things. Not SSM, the SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio. Right over there.
It's a daily one classes or more than?
No. Shubham, please repeat.
I'm just asking, it's a daily 1 hour classes or it will be more than 1 hour?
No. 1 hour only. Monday to Friday. If any class we miss on these weekdays, we will do it on weekend.
Oh.
Okay. Uday, you are unmuted.
Yeah. Thanks, Suresh. So, Suresh, just a small clarification from my side. I'm very beginner to this DBA. Okay. I just learned something from my friend. Okay. He said SSMS is the one where they will work on it for any position.
Yeah, that's correct. That is the tool we are using to interact with the SQL server.
Okay. But you said something IS, something I don't know.
So that is different. That's not related to DBA actually, Uday.
Okay. So we're going to cover it SSM, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, then. Fine. And I have installed both SSMS and.
I will help you. Don't worry about that.
No, already I done. I told you right. I have taken some course from my friend circle, so they downloaded both 2019 SQL and SSMS.
Super, great, yeah. Any other questions? Anybody, please?
Just one thing from my side, Suresh. It's not about questions, it's about my concern. So since I'm switching out from one domain to another domain, I need your support.
Definitely, we'll do that. Don't worry.
Thanks.
Okay, no? Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, guys. Then we'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow also we'll do some short session. Day after tomorrow onwards, I will start regular class, 1 hour, one hour class. Okay? Right then.
So.
Bye. Yeah. Tell me. Yeah. Okay then.